been having these thoughts. It was nothing like I expected it. It was beautiful. I feel so alone. It was beautiful.
All right, I'm ready. Good evening. I'm Dr. Emmett Brown. I'm standing on the parking lot at Twin Pines Mall. It's Saturday morning, October 26, 1985, 1:18 a.m. And this is temporal experiment number 1. Come on, hey, boy, get in there. Yeah, boy. Precisely 1:21 a.m. in 0 seconds, we shall catch up with him at the time machine.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine? Out of a DeLorean?
The way I see it, if you're gonna build a time machine into a car, why not do it with some style? Besides, the stainless steel construction made the flux dispersal. This layout tells you where you're going, this one tells you where you are, this one tells you where you were. You input your destination time on this keypad. Say you want to see the sign of the Declaration of Independence. Bring us up to the party. Here's a red letter date in the history of science, November 5th, 1955. Yes, of course, November 5th, 1955. Okay, what happened? That was the day I invented time travel. I remember it vividly. I was standing on the edge of my toilet, hanging a clock. The porcelain was wet. I slipped, hit my head on the edge of the sink, and when I came to, I had a revelation. A vision. A picture in my head. A picture of this. This is what makes time travel possible. The flux capacitor. Yes, it's taken me almost 30 years of my entire family fortune to realize the vision of that day. Thank God it's been that long. Things have certainly changed around here. I remember when this was all farmland as far as the eye could see. Old man Peabody owned all of this. He had this crazy idea about breeding pine trees.
All we need is a little plutonium.
I'm sure that in 1985, plutonium was available in every
stuck here. I got a life in 1985. I got a girl.
Is she pretty?
She's beautiful. She's crazy about me. Look at this. Look what you wrote here, Doc. That says it all. Doc, my only hope.
Marty, I'm sorry, but the only power source capable of generating 1.21 gigawatts of electricity is a bolt of lightning. Saturday nights, we're sending you back to the future.
All right, Saturday's good. Saturday's good. I can spend a week in 1955. I can hang out. You can show me around.
Marty, that is completely out of the question. You must not leave this house. You must not see anybody or talk to anybody. Anything you do can have serious repercussions on future events. Do you understand?
Yeah, sure. Hey?
Marty, have you interacted with anybody else today besides me?
Yeah, well, I might have sort of bumped into my parents.
Great Scott. Let me see that photograph again of your brother. Just as I thought. This proves my theory. Look at your brother.
His head's gone. It's like he's been erased.
Erase of existence.
Isn't tonight the night of the big date?
What, Ma?
Aren't you going up to the lake tonight? You've been planning it for 2 weeks.
Mom, we talked about this. We're not gonna go to the lake. Cars are wrecked. Biff, what a character. Always trying to get away with something. Yeah, top Biff ever since high school. Oh, if it wasn't for him.
We never would have fallen in love.
That's right. Hey, Doc, we better back up. We don't have enough road to get up to 88. Road? No, we're going, we don't need roads.
The time continuum has been disrupted, creating this new temporal event sequence resulting in this alternate reality.
English, Doc.
Let me illustrate. Imagine that this line represents time. The present, 1985, the future, and the past. Prior to this point in time, somewhere in the past, the timeline skewed into this tangent, creating an alternate 1985. Alternate to you, me, and Einstein, but reality for everyone else. Recognize this? It's the bag the sports book came in. I know, because the receipt was still inside. I found them in a time machine, along with this.
It's the top of Biff's cane. I mean, old Biff from the future.
Correct. It was in the time machine because Biff was in the time machine with the sports almanac.
Oh,
You see, while we were in the future, Biff got the sports book, stole the time machine, went back in time, and gave the book to himself at some point in the past. Look, it says right here that Biff made his first million betting on a horse race in 1958.
I feel the sun on my face. I see trees all around me, the scent of wildflowers on a breeze. It's so beautiful. In this moment, I'm not stranded in space. Back to the ground. The ground. That's the dream. This is reality.
Prisoner 319, face the wall.
Reality sucks. We're told the Earth needs another 100 years to become survivable again. 4 more space-locked generations and man can go home, back to the ground. ground. That's the dream. This is reality.
Prisoner 319, face the wall.
What is this?
Quiet. Hold out your right arm.
No, it's not my time. I don't turn 18 for another month.
Hold out your
On
arm.
the Ark, we call it the Skybox.
Prisoner 319!
Stop! Wait here. Mom? What's going on? What is this? They're carrying us into the ground. All 100 of you. What? But it's not safe. No, we get reviewed at 18. The rules have changed. This gives you a chance to live. Earth, Clark. You get to go to Earth. So what are you working on now?
Raptors mostly.
My favorite.
Do you remember the sounds they made?
I try not to.
Really? All our theories about raptor intelligence, what they were capable of, we weren't even close.
Tell me.
Well, we did cranial scans of a fossil skull, and we found what looks like a very sophisticated resonating chamber.
Wait a second. So we were right. I mean, they had the ability to vocalize.
It convinced us to keep their social intelligence.
Which explains why they could work together as a team.
Coordinate their attacks so their prey wouldn't know what was going on.
They could talk to each other.
To a degree we never imagined. He was smart. He was smarter than dolphins or whales. He was smarter than primates. Raptors mostly.
My favorite.
Do you remember the sounds they made?
I try not to.
Really? All our theories about raptor intelligence, what they were capable of, we weren't even close.
Tell me. They could talk to each other.
To a degree we never imagined. Really, they were smart. They were smarter than dolphins or whales.
They're reptiles. Help people, I guess.
Heroes in the half shell.
Okay.
Come on, it's not that crazy. The animal kingdom is full of Ace on the dog that can moonwalk.
Any news you want to share?
Thanks. Can you turn the TV to a news channel?
But unfortunately, Montana right now is on complete lockdown.
The object apparently touched down 40 minutes ago just north of I-94. We're waiting to hear if this is perhaps an experimental vessel or... I'm learning that more objects like this have landed at as many as 8 other locations around the world.
This is worldwide. It is happening right now.
Ian is a theoretical physicist from Los Alamos. Los Alamos. You'll be reporting to me, but you'll be working with him when you're in the show.
start throwing math problems at them.
I'll bring the coffee. Coffee was to me. Are they capable faster than light travel? Are they perfect? A list of questions.
Fellas, it's go time.
Turtle formation in 3, 2, 1.
Where they want, where they from, and beyond that, how did they get here?
They're reptiles.
Heroes in the half shell.
They're reptiles. Help people.
And now, turn your attention courtside, where Jill Martin meets a man who later this week will receive an honorary key to the city.
Fellas, it's go time.
Turtle formation in 3, 2, 1.
An honorary key to the city. Please welcome Vern the Falcon Penguin!
Well, the truth is, Jill, I should have help from a couple of friends. Thunder and lightning. Yeah!
Look, everybody, I got a cowboy. Look who the cowboy. Oh, wow. Free coffee.
We could fly together, feel alive again. I can feel the pressure heavy on my neck. The weight of this feeling this time. Every time the weight of this feeling this time. I want you here with me. I want you here.
my crops. Imagine where you will be, and it will be so.
Still alive? Still alive. The gods must have a sense of humor. The gods must love you. Alex, at your barracks, General? Or to Rome? Home. Wife, the son, the harvest.
Maximus the farmer. I still have difficulty imagining that.
You know, dirt cleans off a lot easier than blood, Quintus.
Here he is.
Linus.
Senator Gaius, Senator Falco. Beware, Gaius. You'll pour a honey potion in your ear and you'll wake up one day and all you'll say is, Republic, Republic, Republic. Where do you stand, General? Emperor or Senate?
The soldier has the advantage of being able to look his enemy in the eye, Senator.
Oh, with an army behind you, you could be extremely political.